Hello guys, Neopal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I have yet another unboxing. And this time what we're unboxing is the USB-C to digital AV multiport adapter. So, as you know, I bought a 16-inch MacBook Pro. You can see the unboxing software here. And with that comes that coming from a 2012 MacBook Pro, I need to buy a lot of USB-C dongles to be able to use it with pretty much anything. So yeah, I've already done the unboxing of the USB-C to USB and the USB-C to SD card adapters, but today I have this one, which is actually pretty exciting. I think it's one of the best that Apple sells. It's also pretty hefty price. But yeah, this one has an HDMI port, a USB-C port and a USB-A port. So what we're gonna do is open it and use it and review it and see how it is. So to open it we just pull this tab here, pull right off, and then we open here, and slide out, and here it is. Like, I don't really like that it's so big itself and so thick. But yeah, I guess that's what we get. And there are a couple things holding it into place, and then it slides out. So yeah, as I said, you have USB-C, you have the HDMI, you have the USB-A, and then at the other side you have the USB-C to plug it into your MacBook. And right here we just have some paperwork, some warranty information, yeah, useless stuff. So one thing, well actually, let's do the unboxing first and I will say my thoughts about it later. Okay, so to use the adapter is that simple. You just plug it in one side to the Mac, to any of the USB-C or Thunderbolt ports, and then on the other side you have all your ports, so you can start plugging things. For example, I have an HDMI cable right here, so we could connect it to an external monitor and just plug it in right here. And one thing to note is that this supports, depending on the MacBook, but certain models support HDMI transfer speeds to be able to view 4K 60 Hz, so that is pretty good. Of course, if you want to plug multiple monitors, you will need multiple of these adapters, which is kind of a downside, because they're very expensive. We'll talk about the price later. But yeah, other than that, we can even plug a USB-C port for whatever. For example, to charge, which is pretty convenient as well. Right here, and you can see we have both of them plugged in. And lastly, we can even plug a USB, like a regular USB. So for example, here I have a hard drive, but for example in the back of the box they show an iPhone. If you have the USB to Lightning cable, you can just plug it here. And boom, and now we have the three things connected to the adapter, which is pretty nice. As I said, it's Apple's most versatile USB-C adapter, I believe. And of course this can also be used with the iPad, with iPadOS. You can have the HDMI, you can charge the iPad, you can have a flash drive or stuff. And as you can see, we can even access the hard drive here. So there is actually nothing on the ends of these cables, but if there was, we could see how this adapts to the monitor and even get the monitor settings and of course charging, but none of that is happening right now. And to eject it, you can, well, first let's eject the hard drive, and yeah, now we can start ejecting one by one. So it's pretty hard. And yeah, or just eject the whole thing from the Mac and then you're good to go. But yeah, this is, as you can see, it's very easy how it works. Now let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, so as you saw, this is the USB-C to digital, it's called digital AV port, but basically HDMI adapter. And yeah, so this adapter retails for €80, I believe, which is really damn expensive. Yeah, it's got three ports, but for like half of that money or even less, you can get pretty good adapters that have plenty of USB ports, HDMI port, even VGA port. Because yeah, if you want to plug a VGA monitor, you need to buy a different adapter. Which, I mean, usually you're not switching between HDMI or VGA. If you have a workstation, you have either one or the other. But yeah, it's nice to have all the advantages, like to have all the possibilities in one device. Also, as I said, if you want to connect multiple monitors, you have to buy multiple of these, which can get really expensive really fast. So yeah, especially for example the 16-inch MacBook Pro supports up to 4 4K monitors, so buying 4 of these would be really expensive. But yeah, other than that, I think it's a very good deal for being Apple, of course. Yeah, we get the HDMI port, the USB-A port, the USB-C port, so we don't really lose a port with USB-C. Yeah, I did find the information that this one supports up to 4K 60Hz transfer speeds, which is pretty good. But I didn't find any information on the other 2 ports. For example, is the USB 3.1 port, which would be nice, but again, just like with this one, we don't know it. Apple doesn't say in the website, and I don't know how to check it, so if you know it, leave it down below in the comments. Also on the USB-C, does it deliver all the necessary power to like charge the Mac? Because yeah, that would be nice. Especially the new 16-inch has a 96 watt adapter, so is this delivering 96 watts? We don't know that. But yeah, overall I think this one can easily replace this one. Originally I wasn't gonna buy this one, but it was on sale, so I just bought it. But yeah, this one has a USB-A port, so you can just deal with that very good. However, if you want to connect multiple things, it's cheaper to buy one of these and one of these than 2 of these. But yeah, or even cheaper to buy actually 3 of these than 1 of these. But of course with this one you get also the USB-C and the HDMI. So, in general, should you buy this? Probably not. You should buy one of those all-in-one Amazon adapters or Amazon or whatever. Because buying all the individual Apple adapters for your Mac can get really expensive. So I paid less for all of these actually. But the retail prices is 45 euro, 25 euro, that's already like 70 euro, and then 80 euro, it's 150 only for these 3, which is crazy expensive actually. I hadn't done the math before, but it's very expensive. So yeah, what is good about this is that it's plastic. All of these are plastic, so they won't scratch your Mac. Only this has the possibility of scratching, but yeah, I guess this cannot be plastic. But yeah, all in all, it's very expensive. You should probably get others, and of course you just have one single of these. So if I want to connect 3 USBs, I would need an extra adapter, or I can 2 HDMI displays or whatever. But yeah, this is everything I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions regarding this adapter, leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Apple related content coming every week. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.